Right, hello. It's just a quick video to show how Git Stash might work. So we're going to give you some situations how you might use that. So I'm going to call my repo test stash. Helps if you spell things properly. And I'm just going to copy and paste the Git commands it gives me automatically into the terminal. And that's going to set up a README file with the title in it. Just bring that down to our main screen. And also pushes it to the repo. So you might be working one day and you might be working on the same branch as other people. You might have a dev branch, for example. Here I'm just going to show you how to do it on main because that's what this video is about. So I'm doing some work on the main branch. Okay, and then somebody somewhere else might push some important changes that you might need to use. So I'm just using text as an example of this. So this is an important fix. So we commit. So then if we do git fetch, then we'll see there's some changes. So if I do a git pull, okay, it can't make the changes because I'm working on the same file as the remote has. And obviously I've added a line at exactly the same point. And it says, please commit your changes or stash them before you merge. I don't want to commit these changes because I'm in the middle of doing some work on the main branch. So what I'm going to do is use Git Stash. So Git Stash is just like a branch without kind of a name. So it's just a temporary stash. So then I can do whatever I like and then come back with Git Stash apply, which then returns us to the same point. So if we go back to what we were doing, if we do git stash, and then I want to do a git pull of those changes, and then I can do git stash apply. And of course, there's a merge conflict, which was the point in why Git was helpfully telling us that there was an issue. So if I do my git merge tool, I happen to use opendiff here, and I can just say go for both. Save the changes, quit out of file merge, and there we have it. So we could do a commit and then a push and we're done. So that's very quickly the most simple case how you might use Git Stash.